Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will learn about type of numbers. Okay, let's enjoy maths with us. Okay, first I want to explain to you what is natural numbers. Natural numbers is numbers that include from 1 to 3 until infinity. It starts from 1. Whenever whole numbers is a set of whole numbers that include 0, 1, 2, 3 until infinity. Next is integers. Integers is numbers that include from negative numbers until positive numbers. For example, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1 include 0, 1, 2, 3, and this integers is covers from negative infinity to infinity. Next is rational numbers. Rational numbers is numbers that can be written in fraction. For example, negative 1 over 2, 5 over 25. However, irrational numbers is a number that is not rational. It cannot be written as fraction. For example, 0.33333. So these numbers cannot be written as 1 over 3. This cannot be written as a fraction actually. Same goes to pi. Pi also cannot be written in terms of fraction. Next is real numbers. Real numbers is a number can be written as a fraction. For example, 3 over 2. Okay. So what we learn today is we learn types of numbers. The first one is whole numbers. The second one is integers. Third one is real numbers. Fourth one is rational numbers. And these numbers must be well known to especially for math students. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.